Welcome to the second session of the today's lecture. We are discussing about the genetic algorithm. Now let's see what is an individual. In genetic algorithm, an individual represents a single solution. It may group together to form a population, and when we group as individuals, then there it results into a two types of solution. Either the chromosome, which is the raw genetic material, which we call it a genotype, and the second one is the phenotype, which is the expressive of the chromosome. आपका जीनोटाइप हो गया कि हाउ द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द जीन्स टेक्स प्लेस इन द क्रोमोसोम, दैट इज योर जीनोटाइप. एंड फेनोटाइप क्या हो गया कि उसके बिहेवियर्स कैसे हैं, फीचर्स कैसे हैं, दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स योर फेनोटाइप. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ जीन्स. Genes are the basic building blocks of the genetic algorithm. A chromosome is a sequence of genes, and each gene is a bead string of arbitrary length. Once we have find out all the possible solution of a problem, then we group together to form a population, and then we find out the optimized solution among the in the search space. So once after that we check the fitness of each individual in the search space. The fitness of an individual in the genetic algorithm is the value of the objective function for its phenotype. How we calculate the fitness? The chromosome is first decoded and then the objective function has to be evaluated. The fitness not only indicates the how good the solution is, but it also corresponds how the chromosome is near to the optimal one. So first we have to decode the chromosome. There are different encoding methods that we will learn in the coming lectures, and then we have to find out the objective function. Here the fitness function first need to be derived from the objective function. In genetic algorithm, the fitness function can be used to solve both the maximization problem and the minimization problem. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम लोग मैक्सिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व करते हैं जेनेटिक एल्गोरिदम में, बट यस अगर हमारे पास मिनिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम है तो फर्स्ट उसको हम मैक्सिमाइजेशन के फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लेते हैं एंड देन वी फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर द मिनिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम. लेट्स सी if we have a प्रॉब्लम लाइक अगर हमारे पास f of x है, ठीक है, देन फॉर मैक्सिमाइजेशन we have to transform in this way, and if it is a minimization problem then we have to transform it into a 1 by fx. This is for the maximization one, and this is for the minimization one. Let me clear the screen so that. And now we have a population. What do you mean by a population? A population is a collection of individuals, and when we find out the population in genetic algorithm, the first we have to see the initial population generation and the population size. For each and every problem, the population size will depend on the complexity of the problem. So these are the terminologies that we are going to use in the genetic algorithm. Now, from the next lecture, we will learn about the different operators that we use in the genetic algorithm. Thank you.